Hello, to set up a Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro with Mi Fitness application on your Android device, first of all, you will have to just grab your device and you will have to pick the language. After that, you can find this basic information that you will have to download Mi Fitness application on your phone, like we did it. And now you will have to also go into Bluetooth. And as you can see, I was actually previously connected, so I'm going to actually get rid of it. But you have to be sure that you simply turn on Bluetooth on your phone. And now you have to open a Mi Fitness application and you will have to grant all base permission by clicking Start, select User Agreement, click Agree. From this, select your region. You can click here and also change it if you want. Click Next. And now go to Device, click to Add Device. Now click Agree to transfer via Bluetooth, accept all of these permissions, click Allow again. And as you can see right now, we've got Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro on the list, so we can just tap on it and we have to sign in into Xiaomi account. So click here and you can for sure sign in by using Xiaomi account, create account, but in my case, I'm gonna use Google account. So I have to select the account that I want to link with the Mi Fitness application. Now just wait for a few seconds. And as you can see now, just click to search again. Select Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro. And when you have this pairing request, just accept on your phone and on your Band 9 Pro. Now just wait for connection. Right here, click done, click continue. And after a few seconds, we should be connected. There we go. As you can see now, we are just connected. Some base information about apps, how to access apps menu. We can mirror phone notifications. We have to set location, so select Mi Fitness. Click to allow notification access, scroll down, click allow, then go back again, click to set. So you will have to also grant permission into the phone calls. There we go. You can synchronize your phone with the Do Not Disturb mode, but you don't have to. You can turn on this synchronization for all workouts and the fitness data. Click that you got it. And now as you can see, you can click synchronize and everything's fine. Right now we are successfully connected.